And this is Ryklai. Welcome to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a balloon slime challenge. So how you do this is, I've kind of seen this like all over Instagram and kind of all over YouTube. So we decided to try it. What you do is each of these balloons are named something. So shaving cream,
activator,
lotion. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to cut them open and we're gonna have to make slime. So let's get on to it. Let's start off with glue.
Well, I found one.
Okay.
Hope this doesn't spray. Ready? Oh, that didn't spray.
These are crap. Pause, Ryklai, pause.
Alright, I'm gonna do lotion.
Lotion. Oh, that one's my favorite.
Lotion.
Oh, that one's easy. Oh, too much. Wow. Mix. Look how cool that looks. Mine's pink.
Oh, I love this smell.
Smell mine. Looks like apple cider and glue. Okay, paint. Ah!
Ooh, I got
Blue! Ew!
Oh, I got dark blue. Look at that. I like this color.
Okay, mix.
Oh, I gotta love it. Oh, now mine almost smells like paint. Oh.
Thank you. Okie dokie. Now on to shaving cream.
What? You can't shake it.
You go first. My turn.
Oh, let's do a surprise.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
It was actually at one minded.
That is so cool.
Look at my color. Mine's like a deep blue. Okay. Look at my color. Mine's like a deep blue. Okay. Let's do surprise.
Or for
Actually, no, I don't.
Oh, I got water gel.
Where's mine? I know what it is. Purple?
Ah, look at that.
Ew. Ew.
Looks as if I need a bit more water for that.
Okay.
Oh, why did I touch it?
Ryklai slime just looks like paint.
Yeah. Chunky paint now. All right.
Okay, activator.
hope this turns out good.
Time for the mix-in. Oh, I don't like touching it. Oh. Can you put some activator in mine real fast? Good. Ooh, it's working!
Mine, I'm still mixing. Mine, I'm still mixing.
Hey, before your hands get messy, can you help me put some more activator in it?
Yeah.
Good.
Time to get my hands messy.
My hands hurt.
Oh!
Ew.
I need activator. Mine feels good though.
Shay, can you add more activator?
Hope this doesn't dye our hands.
Oh, my activator's right there.
Glad, ready? Look.
Ready? Let's make a face. Ready?
Oh!
Ready? Shay, watch out. Get out of it. Ready, Rico? Let's make a face. Ready? Set, go. Good.
I need some activator.
Second. Okay. Good. Go. Good.
Shay, come here.
Oh, dang it. Now it ruined it. Go! Right, go! That didn't do anything.
Mix. Look at that. Boy, you should feel mine. How do I feel?
Okay guys, I think this was a total success. Please make sure to comment down below what you guys want us to do. And if you like all of our slime videos, make sure to share this video with your friends.
And comment down below more slimes you would like us to try.
And which one was your favorite. And thanks for watching. Ryklai.